स्टेलर अकॅडमीन 7वी ते 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर आपली स्टेलर टॅलंट सर्वे एग्जामीची घोषणा केल्या। ही परीक्षा 27 सप्टेंबराक गोंयांतल्या 11 केंद्रांचेर जातली। ह्या परीक्षे वरवीं विद्यार्थ्यांक 100% स्कॉलरशीप मेळोवपाची संद मेळटली। तशेंच वांटेकार विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रमाणपत्र, गुणपत्रक, राज्यस्तरीय रँकिंग आनी रोख बक्षिसांय मेळटली।
We all are gathered here for the launch of Estellar Talent Search Exam 2026.
So ETSE is Stellar Talent Search Examination. Through this exam, we conduct a talent search exam in which we make students participate from across Goa, and the students who are studying in class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, they can participate in this exam, they can take part in this exam, and through that they can get a benchmarking at Pan Goa level. Means they can get that where they stand if a test is conducted across the Goa. And apart from that, other than benchmarking, they also get certificates of participation. They get rank, which is across Goa, that what is their position if any exam is conducted for students of Goa. So what is their position, actual position in Goa state, that also they are going to get through this exam. Apart from that, they are going to get attractive scholarships also. So this exam is going to be on 27th of September. Timing will be from morning 10:30 to 12:30, and this exam will be conducted at 11 places across the Goa.
We started with only 4 centers because at that time it was a beginning for us. But now we have reached to 11 centers. Almost we can say that except one taluka, every taluka headquarter has got a center, which gives an opportunity for students. Particularly, we wanted to focus the talented students from the rural areas also to participate in this. Now, I would request all the students and teachers and the schools which are located in not so big urban centers as such, smaller towns and many other growing villages across the state to take full benefit of this particular scheme and participate fully so that all the talent which is hidden in the state of Goa can come forward and take the benefit.